Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Shopify Plus. Shopify Plus is the enterprise-level offering of the popular e-commerce platform, Shopify. It's designed to accommodate high-growth, high-volume businesses that demand more from their e-commerce platform. With Shopify Plus, businesses have the power to scale and sell more, all while maintaining the simplicity and ease of use that Shopify is known for. Shopify Plus is packed with features to help businesses thrive. It offers high-level customization and control, including API integrations, advanced reporting, and unique checkout experiences. It provides unlimited bandwidth and transactions and can handle over 10,000 transactions per minute. Plus, it ensures 99.99% uptime, so your online store is always available for customers. Shopify Plus also includes dedicated support from a merchant success manager and 24/7 priority support. Shopify Plus pricing starts at $2,000 per month, making it a significant investment for businesses. However, it's worth noting that the pricing can vary depending on your business needs and sales volume. This price includes access to all of Shopify Plus's features, dedicated support, and the ability to create up to 10 additional store clones for international selling. Shopify Plus is ideal for high-growth, high-volume businesses that require more advanced features and dedicated support. This includes large businesses looking to scale, businesses with high transaction volumes, businesses that require advanced customization, and businesses that are targeting international markets. It's also beneficial for businesses that want to integrate their e-commerce platform with other systems such as ERP, CRM, or PIM. Shopify Plus offers several advantages. It provides robust scalability, allowing businesses to handle high traffic and sales volumes. The platform also offers high customization, allowing businesses to create unique customer experiences. With dedicated support, businesses can get the help they need when they need it, and the ability to integrate with other business systems makes it a versatile solution for many businesses. Despite its advantages, Shopify Plus has some limitations. Its high cost can be prohibitive for some businesses. While it offers a high degree of customization, it may require more technical expertise to fully utilize. Additionally, although Shopify Plus offers advanced features, it may not be as feature-rich as some other enterprise e-commerce platforms. Lastly, while it offers international store clones, language and currency capabilities may still be limited. In conclusion, Shopify Plus is a powerful e-commerce platform for high-growth, high-volume businesses. It offers robust scalability, high customization, and dedicated support. However, its high cost and potential need for technical expertise may make it less suitable for some businesses. In the end, whether Shopify Plus is right for your business will depend on your specific needs and resources. Let's recap what we've learned. Shopify Plus is a feature-rich platform designed for high-volume businesses. It offers scalability, customization, and dedicated support. However, it comes with a high price tag and may require technical expertise. It's essential to weigh these pros and cons and consider your specific business needs before deciding if Shopify Plus is the right solution for you. Shopify Plus is a robust choice for businesses that require more from their e-commerce platform. While it has its limitations, its benefits can often outweigh these for the right business. Remember to consider your business's specific needs and resources before making your decision. Thank you for joining us for this comprehensive analysis of Shopify Plus. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.